Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and creamy carrot kheer or gajar ki kheer. Carrot kheer is a delicious kheer recipe that includes carrots and it is so yummy that you will end up having all of it at once. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First wash and soak 1/4 cup of short grain basmati rice. Then heat 1 liter of milk and bring it to a boil. After it boils, transfer to another flame and keep boiling on low flame. Then heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a kadai. Add few cashew nuts and raisins. Saute till they are golden. Take out and keep aside. Now in the same ghee, add 1.5 cups of grated carrot. Roast the carrots for 6 to 8 minutes. I have used red carrot here, you can use the regular carrot. Now discard water from the rice and add it to the carrots. Mix and roast for 2 minutes. Now add the boiling milk. Mix well with the carrot and rice. Boil and cook the carrots, rice and milk simultaneously. You have to boil and cook the kheer for around 10 minutes. Now add 2/3 cup of condensed milk and mix well. You can also add milk powder mixed with milk here. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 crushed cardamoms and the ghee roasted dry fruits. Mix everything well and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. And our delicious carrot kheer is ready now. Serve it warm or chilled. When it's warm, it gives a perfect aroma and taste. And when it's cold, it tastes like carrot rice pudding. So it is delicious both ways. I have garnished it with some chopped pistachios. You can have it as it is. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.